massager. It feels so weird. I feel tickles. What's sus? Massager. That's sus? What do you mean? I have a back massager. I got gifted it. It's for your back. Chat. You're the one saying sus. It's a back massager. You're the one making it weird, chat. I can show a picture of it. It's on Amazon. It's a back massager. Right there. See? It's two balls that go in a circle. It's like it's very aggressive. Just why are you massaging with that thing? My back, because it's a back massager, for my back, Ah, it's for my back, my nose. Oh, blah. Why are you sweating then? Because it's hot in here. Ah, blah.